Have you ever wondered if SoFi, that popular online bank, offers home equity loans? It's a question that many homeowners have asked, and today, we're diving deep into it. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what a home equity loan is. It's essentially a loan that lets you borrow money using the equity in your home as collateral. Think of it as a cash advance against the value you've built up in your property. Now, why would you consider a home equity loan? There are several reasons. You might need funds for a major home improvement project, like adding a new kitchen or bathroom. Perhaps you're planning a big purchase, such as a car or a vacation. Or maybe you're looking to consolidate high-interest debt. SoFi and home equity loans. So, does SoFi offer home equity loans? While they haven't traditionally been known for this type of loan, things have been changing in the financial landscape. Many online lenders, including SoFi, have been expanding their offerings to cater to a wider range of customer needs. To find out if SoFi currently offers home equity loans, we need to do some research. Let's check their official website, look for any press releases or announcements, and even reach out to their customer support. Research and analysis. Website check. We'll visit SoFi's website and search for terms like home equity loan, home equity line of credit, or HELOC. If they have a dedicated section for these products, it's a good sign. Press releases. We'll look through SoFi's press releases to see if they've announced any new loan offerings. Sometimes, these announcements can provide valuable clues. Customer support. We'll contact SoFi's customer support and ask directly if they offer home equity loans. This is a straightforward way to get the most accurate information. Additional considerations. Even if SoFi doesn't currently offer home equity loans, there are other options to consider. You could explore traditional banks, credit unions, or other online lenders. Each option has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to compare rates, terms, and fees before making a decision. So, does SoFi do home equity loans? While we'll need to conduct more research to get a definitive answer, it's clear that the online lending landscape is constantly evolving. As more and more financial institutions expand their offerings, it's possible that SoFi might introduce home equity loans in the future. If you're considering a home equity loan, I encourage you to do your own research and compare different lenders. Look for the best rates, terms, and fees that suit your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.